episode of Vision Kitchen Chronicles. What's cooking? Hi, my name is Chef Ange from Vision Enterprises Catering here in Kansas City, Missouri. I have worked with several different corporations throughout the Kansas City metropolitan area, as well as doing cooking classes for kids over the summer. So we have had a lot of fun events with the kids, and also just different special events for folks around Kansas City. So it has really been an absolute blast to do the events, to cater, to actually mingle with people and have just extreme fun as I'm doing it. So it has been my absolute pleasure to cook for people and just enjoy cooking overall. So that is my overall basis of why I do what I do today, because I love cooking. So today I'm going to show you all how I do things in the kitchen and how you can do things at home in your own kitchen. Okay, so today we're going to do something really nice and special, something simple, something delicious, something you can stroll with in the morning with the kids, perhaps help your kids or let them just cook in the kitchen. Okay.
Before we get started, let's go over some rules for successful cooking. These rules may not be like the ones you have in school, although some rules are safety minded. Others are more about helping you work smarter and not harder. To be successful in the kitchen, you need more than the ability to prepare delicious, attractive, and nutritious food. You also must have a talent for organization and efficiency. In every kitchen, many tasks must be completed over a given time and by a limited number of workers. No matter when the tasks are done, they all must come together at one crucial point. Only if advanced preparation is done thoroughly and systematically can service go smoothly. Good chefs take pride in the thoroughness and quality of their advanced preparation, or a French term called mise en place. The French term meaning everything in place.
So today we're going to be making some chocolate and peanut butter energy balls. This recipe right here is simple, it's delicious, the kids will love it, you will love it. It's something that you can prepare first thing in the morning and absolutely have your appetite fulfilled for breakfast. So, as I would say to everybody else in my kitchen when it's time to start cooking, let's eat. These energy balls usually take about 10 minutes and 30 minutes in the refrigerator. Serves about 4. And if you have any allergies to nuts, you can substitute sunflower butter for the peanut butter. Just FYI for those who are allergic to peanuts. First step is 1 cup of oats. You're gonna pour your oats into your blender here. And you're just gonna pulse for about probably 3 or 4 times you're gonna do the pulse. And as you can see, it has chopped up really fine there, so you won't have all those big chunks of oats in your ball, okay? So what I'm gonna do now is remove my blade, and I'm gonna go ahead and pour the chopped oats into the bowl. Okay. And then we're gonna move on to 1/3 cup of the mini chocolate chips. And pour that whole 1/3 cup into the bowl mixture. We're going to do a 1/2 cup of peanut butter. Smooth or crunchy, your preference, it doesn't matter. And then we're going to do 1/4 cup of honey. 1/4 cup of honey. Pour it into the mixture. One last step is the 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. All right, so you're gonna blend all the ingredients thoroughly together. Get all the peanut butter and the honey, vanilla extract, and the chocolate chips, and you just blend it all together into there's your mixture. As you can see, all the oats and everything are gone from the outsides of the bowl, and everything, all the ingredients are blended in together. Pretty, right? and you can start to portion out each energy ball. And you just want to do it quarter size, very small, something bite size, something quick you can pick up in the morning, just very small. Just make sure it's rounded off. So here we made about 15 little mini chocolate peanut butter energy balls. We're going to refrigerate this for about 30 minutes. Once we're done with the refrigeration part, letting it chill, we'll bring it out, and guess what? It'll be definitely time to eat. Alright, so we're back. 30 minutes has passed. It has refrigerated for 30 minutes, so it's nice and chill. So we're going to unravel. Nice, round, and chill. And it's ready to eat. So now it's time for the taste. This is amazing. The perfect size bite for breakfast. You can take a couple of these for yourself. The kids can take a couple to school, and they'll be fulfilled for the entire morning. Trust me. It is delicious. You taste the oats, the honey, the peanut butter, the chocolate chips, the mixture. Fabulous. So, what are you going to do after today? You're going to make your own set of chocolate chip peanut butter energy balls. Let's get cooking. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed this video, please do go out and like us on social media sites, Facebook at Vision Enterprises Unlimited and Instagram at Vision Enterprises Unlimited as well. And make sure you do visit our website at www.veunlimited.com. We'll see you next time. Ciao for now.